Powerhouse cordless circular saw. Gear up for safety. Put on your safety shades and gloves before working on this power tool. Adjust the blade to match the material's thickness and set the bevel angle if needed. Use the appropriate clamp to prevent any movement or injuries during cutting. The laser guide helps mark your cut line for a more precise output. Tip: keep the base plate flat against the material. Grip firmly and start slowly. Let the cordless circular saw do the work. Forcing it can damage the tool or material.